Hello and welcome to the trade setup. Today we are looking at Palantir. I wanted to do an extra video this week due to how many stocks require or could use an update. And yeah, starting with Palantir, I want to provide 3 levels for this video to watch in the idea that we want to track if we did actually finish this move to the upside. And first of all, we have this main level that we are tracking for our wave 4 in this larger wave 3. And I have already adjusted the support zone. It's between $93 and $55. But before we get to that level, we have to make sure that we did actually finish this level, wave 3. And how do we do that? Well, I will provide you the other 2 levels, which the first level is this low that we had here in the 5th of June, right here. And yeah, while we don't break the support here, while we don't break below this low, there's still a possibility that we, instead of having finished this wave 3 to the upside, or this wave 5 within the wave 3, we instead only created a new 1-2 setup here that could take us higher to new all-time highs. And then the second level that I want to point out, or the third really, because I already pointed out the white one for the large time frame, is the idea. So this level between $109 and $78, and it represents the idea that instead of finishing the third wave here, or the 5th wave within, we only completed a wave 1 in this 3rd wave or 5th wave, and we are now going in wave 2, which should then allow us to go even higher in the 3rd wave to complete 5 waves. So it would be in like 3, 4, 5. So this level does overlap with the larger white support zone, but it won't matter too much when we get into this area. If we do get into the overlapping territory and we enter the support zone in white as well, we are still looking for upside at that moment. But the new structure that might form while we go down into this area might tell us more information anyway. So yeah, you have the levels, and I think this is it for this video. This is the trade setup. Still in the white is the main trade setup. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover. I will keep you updated on this chart as new developments occur, and on other charts that I am covering. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye bye.